Hey guys, welcome back here with Chakshi. In our today's tutorial, I'll show you how can you make such an eye-catching thumbnail for your videos in PowerPoint. So let's see how it looks. See. So now let's begin with it. Now take a blank page and take a square, make it and duplicate it using Ctrl D, place it over here and make it smaller. Go to format, select them both and give the shape outline to no outline, and this one we will give it shape fill to dark blue. See the code I have given here, RGB color code, and dark blue, and its shape fill is light turquoise. So now we will select this and go to edit shape, edit points. We will edit the points of it. So I am making it like the shape of our thumbnail we saw at first. So now I am making it more comfortable for our photo over here, so that it very easy adjusting here. Keep adjusting until you find it useful. And when you click on another area, it goes. Now take a text box and give the font TWSEN, make it bigger and write how to make and give it the color sky blue. Place it over here and again make it bigger, make it bold, making it bigger until you find it useful. And so now I am making a duplicate of it using Ctrl D and placing it over here. Keep adjusting it and here write eye catching and give it the color using this turquoise, and again make it bigger until you find it useful, and using Ctrl and Shift key combination make a duplicate of it and in it write thumbnails. We wrote thumbnails. We will click on it and make its color to aqua and make it bigger until we don't find it useful. So now we will take a square and make it over here and go to format, the shape outline to no outline and the shape fill to purple. And send backward. Again. And make it thinner and adjust it until it doesn't get to you. And now using Control and Shift key combination, make a duplicate of it over here. Make it small. And now here click, and so it will open a pane over here, format shape. You click on fill and do the transparency 13% and click enter and close format shape pane. Now adjust it according to you where you want to keep it. Now take a triangle, place it over here and do the shape outline to no outline and click on edit shape, edit points and edit its points. Place it over here and this one over here. Place them carefully and when they are done, click anywhere to exit from it. Click on it and do the shape fill to dark purple. This one I have given the RGB color code. Now take a circle and after it take a rounded rectangle. Make it more rounder and do the shape outline to no outline, the circles too, and then align them center. Adjust them according to you. Keep adjusting until it fits you. Align them in the center. Merge shapes, union, and do the shape fill to the sky blue. And cut them from Control X key combination and click on paste and press U from your keyboard. Now it is a picture. So that you make a picture of it so that you can adjust it according to you more easily. And adjust until you find it useful. adjust your thumbnail also. Make a duplicate of how you make using Ctrl and Shift key combination, and in it write in capital letters your photo. Make it black. It rotate this much. It over here. It's smaller. It's done. So you could use these both options also, and otherwise you can keep your photo there also. So friends, now we will see that how can we create an image to upload in YouTube as a thumbnail. So we will use Ctrl A key combination, or select them like this and right click on them and save as picture. You can enter the name of your thumbnail. I am writing it V1 video 1 and save. So now take a new slide and go to insert pictures and insert the picture. Make it bigger. Now we have to crop it. So see, the reason behind this is this one. So now we will crop it. And click on crop and make it bigger, full size of the slide, and again take a new slide. Cut it using Ctrl X key combination and delete the slide. Now we will go to paste and press U from our keyboard. See, now we will save it as picture. We will select it and click on save. It asks us V1 PNG already exists. Do you want to replace it? Click on yes and delete this slide. So it's done. Hey friends, if you haven't yet subscribed, liked and shared our video, do it, and don't forget to leave a comment below as well as pressing the bell icon to get notifications of whatever new video I create on YouTube. And if you want this template for free, WhatsApp me using the link in the description. Meet you in the next video. Bye.